Hello, and welcome to this video tutorial for the TouchIT Rapide interactive flat panel. In this tutorial, we will look at how to register your TouchIT Rapide LED. The reason that you need to register is to activate your warranty, but also receive the latest updates from us when they are available. From the home screen, click on the Chrome browser icon and head over to https://www.touchittechnologies.com/register. Here you will need to enter your serial number as well as some details about yourself, such as name, school or business, and your email address. Once you have registered, you will receive an email confirming this within 5 minutes. Don't forget to check your junk folder or spam. Any problems, drop us an email at support@touchittechnologies.com. Thanks for watching.